Meaning of false alarm.
False alarm.
False alarm.
False alarm.
False alarm. A false alarm refers to a situation where an alarm is triggered or sounded, but it is later discovered that there is no actual threat or danger. In other words, the alarm was triggered based on incorrect or inaccurate information. False alarms can be caused by a variety of reasons, such as malfunctioning equipment, human error, or misinterpretation of data. False alarms can be costly and disruptive, as they can lead to unnecessary evacuations or response efforts, waste resources, and create unnecessary anxiety or panic. Therefore, it is important to minimize false alarms through proper installation, maintenance, and training.